Hey, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Today we're unboxing something super cool, the MICRA iron. This tiny device claims to be a powerful portable iron, perfect for travel and quick fixes. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out together. First impressions matter, so let's see what's inside the box. So would I recommend the MICRA iron? If you're always on the go and hate wrinkled clothes, yes, it's a genius little gadget. But if you need to iron daily, stick to a traditional iron. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Got a gadget you want me to review? Drop a comment below. See you next time on Evergreen Tech Tips.